It was a Sunday morning, and just like every Sunday, Gattu and Chinky were getting ready to go play with their friends in the housing society. Gattu was hurriedly eating his breakfast.
What are you doing, Gattu? Mummy, I have absolutely no time today. I need to finish my breakfast quickly and head out to the ground. But what's the rush, Gattu? Today is Sunday, a day for relaxation. You will find out what the surprise is in just a while.
Mummy walks back into the kitchen looking puzzled.
Hey, Gattu, slow down. You will not miss a train. Oh, Chinky, you know na that today is the day we decide who gets to be king for a day.
Bingo barks and lunges towards the plate.
Bingo, no eyes on the king's breakfast. Yes, but for that eating food calmly is very important. Today I will become the king. King? What new game is this now? Yes, to become king for a day, I first have to win passing the ball game. What is passing the ball game? Whoever manages to dodge the ball till the end wins and become the king for a day.
Bingo jumps around excitedly at the sight of the ball.
Hey Bingo, you are not playing. You are just the referee.
Gattu and Chinky arrive at the society ground. Hari, Monty, Bunty and Shiva are already present at the ground. Bunty is standing there holding a music box in his hands. Nearby, Shiva stands with a cricket bat and is looking around in confusion.
Hey look, the king has arrived. Way to go, Gattu. Such confidence today. Yes, because becoming king is my destiny. Come on, stop all these dialogues. Let's start the game. Oh man, what if the music stops when the ball is in my hand? So what? You will be out and you won't get to be the king.
Shiva steps forward.
என்ன கேம் இது? பாலா, மியூசிக்கா? எனக்கு ஒன்னும் புரியல.
Chinky, explain it to Shiva. Shiva, when the music stops, whoever is holding the ball at that moment is out.
ஐயோ, சரி, நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன்.
The game begins. The music starts, and all the children begin passing the ball to one another.
Here, Monty, catch the ball. Hey, Bunty, throw it properly. Don't pass it to me. I'll be out.
ஐயோ, மியூசிக் ஸ்டாப் ஆகுமா?
The game reaches its final stage, and the last round takes place between Gattu and Monty. The music begins.
Here, Gattu, catch the ball so that I can win.
Gattu catches the ball and throws it back towards Monty. The moment Monty catches the ball, the music stops. And just like that, Gattu becomes the king for a day.
Hooray! I won!
All the children erupt with joy, except Monty.
Now I have become king for a day, and therefore I am about to issue my first royal order. Oh, here starts his drama. Bunty, go fetch me some water. What, me? Yes, it's king's command. Okay, Your Majesty. Hurry, go stand in the sun. The king requires the shade. What? Hey, what are you doing? Obey the command. Gattu, what are you doing? I am the king. I will do whatever I want.
ராஜானா போலீஸா?
Shiva, Raja means king.
ஓ, அச்சா.
Monty, blow me some wind. Blow wind on you, am I a fan? And Bunty, clean my shoes. As you command, Your Highness.
Bunty secretly adds even more dirt onto Gattu's shoes.
Hey, why do my shoes look even dirtier now?
All the children grow fed up with Gattu's bossiness.
Gattu, it was fine till it was just a game, but now this is going too far.
All the children are upset with Gattu.
Gattu, we are upset with you. So, today I am the king. Being a king doesn't mean that you will be bossing everyone around and bothering them. King means power. Absolutely wrong.
Chinky begins to reason with Gattu in front of the other children.
Gattu, if someone gave you orders like this, then how would you feel? I am not going to like it at all. Exactly. King is someone who listens to everyone. And who bully their subjects isn't a king, they are villain.
Gattu realizes the error of his ways.
Maybe I got a little too excited. I gave you guys orders. I troubled you. I thought being a king just means giving commands and everyone just obeys. Gattu, when you asked me to stand in the sun, I really felt hurt. And when you told me to fan you, I felt as if I was not your friend, but your servant. Sorry, friends. I truly didn't realize that it would feel like that. It's okay, Gattu. In big countries, these small things happen. And you look less like a king and more like a cartoon.
Gudda, learning da. Raja, Gudda irukkanum.
Yes, Shiva, I understood now. Being a good king also means a good friend. Being a king isn't about giving orders, but about helping everyone. Gattu, I am so glad that you finally realized the mistakes that you made. A true king is someone who listens to its subject and also plays right alongside them.